Human occupations. In this module, you will learn about the different types of human occupations. Human beings engage themselves in various kinds of activities to fulfill their daily needs. These activities are called occupations. Human occupations are classified into 4 types, namely primary occupations, secondary occupations, tertiary occupations, and quaternary occupations. Let us learn about them in detail. Primary occupations refer to the occupations that are directly related to nature. Man has to collect and use the things that are available from nature. For example, lumbering, fishery, agriculture, animal husbandry, mining, forestry, etc. Primary occupations completely depend on nature. They require a lot of manpower. Primary occupations heavily depend on the availability of natural resources. The returns in these occupations are quite low compared to the labor input. Secondary occupations refer to the occupations that involve manufacturing of finished products from raw material. Finished products refer to the useful products obtained from the processing of raw materials acquired through primary occupations. For example, cloth produced from cotton, sugar produced from sugarcane. The products manufactured from secondary occupations have better quality and greater value. Perishable materials are used to obtain long-lasting items. Machinery is used on a large scale. Mass production is possible. The returns are high compared to the labor input in secondary occupations. Tertiary occupations refer to those occupations that are supportive to primary and secondary occupations. Activities such as transportation, banking, and finance fall under tertiary occupations. For example, to manufacture sugar or jaggery, sugarcane needs to be sent to the factory. If sugar is prepared, then it should be made available in markets and shops for sale. Tertiary occupations do not produce any finished product or item. Instead, these occupations provide services to society. People need to pay a cost to avail of these services. Services that need special skills are included in quaternary occupations. Professions that fall under this category are doctors, lawyers, teachers, etc. It is essential to classify occupations in order to ascertain the level of economic development of a region and to make proper planning of the human resources for development. If a region has a large number of its population engaged in secondary and tertiary occupations, then it is considered as a developed region. These include the United States and the western part of Europe. If a region has a large number of its population engaged in primary occupations, then it is considered as a developing region. These include parts of Asia and the equatorial region of Central Africa. Human occupations are directly or indirectly dependent on natural resources. Hence, agriculture thrives near river valleys. Sugar industries in India are concentrated near sugarcane producing regions in Maharashtra and Uttar Pradesh. In the same way, Jharkhand and Chhattisgarh are known for mining due to the rich deposits of minerals that are found there. Due to increase in the utilization of resources, there is exploitation of resources that leads to environmental problems. The soil fertility gets lowered due to continuous cultivation of the same crop. The use of chemical fertilizers and insecticides degrades the soil. Industrialization leads to air pollution and sound pollution. Deforestation rises due to excessive mining. Let us now recap all the important points that we have covered in this module on human occupations.